Hello everyone, this is Lucien from Calvin Chin's Martial Arts Academy. This video is going to be a little different than the types of videos we usually put out. I have to start out by making an announcement. We finally reached our goal of getting monetized on YouTube. A sincere and heartfelt thank you to all of you who have subscribed to our channel and followed along with the classes that we stream live 4 days a week. It has been a long journey, and I want to share with you some of the challenges we faced, how we overcame them, and what's next moving forward. Reaching a benchmark of 1,000 subscribers can sometimes feel impossible. If you are a new content creator trying to do the same, don't give up. It does take some time, but if we did it, I know that you can do it too. There's a ton of advice on this subject from people with a lot more experience than us, but I wanted to share with you what it was like for us, with the hope that some of that info might help you reach your goals. The kind of content you make matters. We're in a very specific kind of niche category. On our channel, we stream live instructional classes on Tai Chi, Lam Family Hong Kong Kung Fu, which is also known as Tiger Crane style, Tai Chi weapons, Tai Chi for Parkinson's, and more. By the way, shameless plug time, if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified when we go live with our classes, usually 4 classes per day, 4 days a week. There are already 500 classes archived on our channel. Because our subject matter is so specific, we can't necessarily respond to trends that people might be looking for. If you're a tech reviewer, you always have new products to review and give input on. This doesn't mean that we can't utilize keywords and search terms to our advantage, but that's for a little later. One of the things that we did do is to be consistent. We stream all of our classes live 4 days a week. We stream a few classes in the morning and some classes in the evening, and on Saturdays we stream into the afternoon. We have a regular schedule and we never miss a class. This is one of the ways that over 8 months we have over 500 classes archived, as well as over 5,700 hours of views. You don't necessarily have to produce content as often. That is just what works for us, but you do need to be consistent. Think of it this way. If you have a leak in your roof and you put a bucket underneath it, it doesn't take very long for that bucket to fill up, even though it happens 1 drop at a time. If you put 1 drop of water in a bucket, or even a cup of water in a bucket, you go away, come back a week later, that water is gone. And so that's how I like to look at it. The next thing we did, I think, was a game changer. We used a service called vidIQ. There are other services like TubeBuddy that do something similar, but after a little research, we decided to go with vidIQ. This is one of the best decisions we ever made. vidIQ offers tools for analytics, word search, competitor search, so you can see how your content is performing against other similar content, which we found really useful, and both video and channel optimization tools. These tools, in combination with one of the most useful aspects of vidIQ, was the training they offer. They have courses with worksheets to help you to really understand what is working, what isn't, and also to help you understand things you never even knew, like how to design a good YouTube thumbnail and why that's so important. You can also find a lot of their training videos with excellent instruction and insight on their YouTube channel, which, by the way, has 728,000 subscribers on their main channel at the time of making this video. So I think they know a little bit about what they're talking about. You can also get a monthly subscription. This is what I did, and I haven't regretted it for a second. I see our channel's monetization as an important but first step. We'll continue using vidIQ and all of the tools they offer, as well as our consistent approach to content creation to build our audience and reach more people worldwide. Please click the link in the description below, and if you do subscribe, we'll get a small piece even though you won't pay any more. So that's win-win in our book. Also, again, please subscribe to our channel, which is Calvin Chin's Martial Arts Academy on YouTube. I'll have links in the cards at the end of this video coming up right now. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in class. Good luck building your audience and in all things moving forward, and have a great day.